Join us on the Monsters, Inc. Dark Ride. Come on, everybody.
Great presentation. Move all the way forward to the gate.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child.
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog. True! I saw the whole thing!
Oh, Googly Bear!
This human child froze me in his tongue control, and it grabbed me with a giant hook.
We gotta get you home.
There's a kid! A human kid!
This way.
There's a kid!
Nothing exciting ever happened.
Get to this careful. You'll never find her door now.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. They'll never get her home now. Terrifying day of my life.
Kitty got it going now. You got it.
We responded to a 2319 in progress. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter in progress and reported to the scene where we
Young man in the third row. Sorry, I need to get my glasses.
after careful and thorough observation of the perimeter.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that you are enjoying the content.